Good morning, students. This is R. K. Nageshwar, your biology teacher. Today is the last topic of our environment chapter. So, what is the last chapter? Last topic is managing the garbage we produce. What is the garbage here? Means the household waste or rubbish materials is called garbage. See, student, this is the one. The household wastes or rubbish materials we call garbage. Every household produce a lot of garbage or wastage daily. Yes or no? You can check in daily. Already you are in home only. Once check it how much of amount of waste we are produce every day. Example. So what is the garbage materials means? Leftover food. So remaining waste materials of food, fruit and vegetable peels, waste paper, plastic bottles, polythene bags, toys, etc. Many of these we call garbage. So important modes of waste disposal are, so mostly one of the important question for board exam. So 5 types are there. One is a recycle, preparation of compost, incineration, landfill, sewage treatment. What are they? Once again, recycling, preparation of compost pit, incineration, landfill, sewage treatment. So these are 5 types of garbage. So first one, recycling. The solid wastes like paper, plastic and metals are recycled. That is called recycle. What is recycled here? So this is a recycle. These greeting cards are made up of recycled papers only. All greeting cards and household articles are also recycled papers. So these hanging lampshade. So these lampshades also are made up of recycled metals. So these are also recycled. Second one, preparation of compost. So preparation of compost means biodegradable domestic wastes. So biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means the biomaterials, means living materials easily can decompose in soil. We call biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable means cannot decompose in soil easily. Best example, plastic, polythene covers, etc. Right? Okay, students. So here preparation of compost, biodegradable domestic wastes such as leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels and leaves of potted plants, etc. It can be converted into compost by burying in a pit dug into ground and used as a manure. Ante we can collect different waste materials, keep in a soil. After few days you can observe it will look like a manure. These manure can be very use, means very healthy materials for plants for growth. Yeah, see student, this is the pictures. Yeah, this is the compost. It has been prepared by burning domestic wastes such as leftover food. So vegetables peels, all waste materials, leaves, potted plants in a cave. So keep in a places a few days. It will get a good manure for plants. So this is also an incinerator. So third one, incineration means reducing to ashes. ఎక్కువగా వేస్ట్ స్మోక్ రాకుండా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. See here, the burning of substances at high temperature. Actually you can observe outside, you can burn the plastic. Yeah, very fungal smell will come. Yes or no? Very bad smell, right? Yeah, more ashes release. But incineration method, so you can decrease the ashes. See, high temperature to form ash is called incineration. The burning of a substances at a high temperature to form a ash is called incineration. So incineration is used as to destroy household wastes, chemical waste and biological waste all. So incineration greatly reduce the volume of the waste. See students, this is the incineration method. The solid waste is burned, so brewed at a high temperature in the incinerator. The organic matter is waste burns away and only a little ash is left behind. సో ఇక్కడ బర్న్ చేసామంటే వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఓన్లీ వెరీ ఫ్యూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ యాషెస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, రైట్, విత్ హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సినరేటర్ మెథడ్. Fourth one, landfill. The disposal of wastage by putting it in a low laying areas of ground and cover it with earth is called landfill. See, this look like a compost pit. Same compost second one చెప్తున్నాం కదా, యా కంపోస్ట్ పిట్ లాగే ఉంటుంది. See, most of the solid wastage is urban areas is dumped in low laying areas. So ground and covered with the earth is level uneven ground. ఇక్కడ సాలిడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ మనం కవర్ చేసినా కూడా ఇట్ టేక్ ఫర్ 100 years. వన్ ప్లాస్టిక్ బాటిల్స్ ఆర్ మెటల్స్ ఇట్ కెన్ డీకంపోజ్ ఇన్ ఎ సాయిల్ ఇట్ టేక్ ఫర్ 100 years, రైట్. సో దిస్ ద ల్యాండ్ ఫిల్. See student, this is the a landfill site where solid wastes are dumped in low laying areas of ground and covered with the earth. మనం ఎక్కడ చూసామంటే ఎక్కువ వేస్ట్ అంతా ఉంటుంది సార్. You can observe in cities near areas. This is a landfill method. Last fifth method, sewage treatment. So sewage treatment, the dirty drain water containing urine and feces which is carried from our homes by the underground pipes is called sewage. Means waste water is మూమెంట్ త్రూ పైప్స్. సో మన పైప్లో ఉన్న మున్సిపాలిటీ వాటర్ మనం చూసామంటే నంద్యాల కానీ, సో ఎనీ ఏరియా సిటీస్ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ ఏ లార్జ్ స్కేల్ ఆఫ్ సీవేజ్ ఈజ్ రిలీజ్డ్. ఇఫ్ అన్ట్రీటెడ్ సీవేజ్ ఈజ్ డంప్డ్ ఇన్ టు రివర్. సో ఈ సీవేజ్ వాటర్ని మనము డైరెక్ట్గా ద సీవేజ్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ డంప్ ఇన్ ఏ రివర్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, ఇట్ కెన్ పొల్యూట్ ద రివర్ వాటర్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో. సో రివర్ వాటర్లో ఉన్న బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గంగా. మన గంగా చూసామంటే అసలు ఎక్కువ మనం గంగా నదిలో మునిగామంటే ఏం చేస్తారు చెప్తారండి, మన పాపాలు పోతాయి, హెల్దీగా ఉంటామని. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం అస్థికలు అలాగే డెడ్ బాడీస్ ఆల్సో దే త్రో ఇన్ గంగా రివర్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది పీపుల్స్ దే త్రో ఇన్ లార్జ్ స్కేల్స్ ఆఫ్ వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్, డెడ్ బాడీస్, ఫీసెస్ అండ్ యూరిన్. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, దే పొల్యూట్ ద రివర్. Nowadays they take action of Ganga river, so remove the waste materials, right? So that's why. So here untreated sewage water is don't dump in a river. It can purify after it can release in a sewage water into river. The treatment of sewage produces clean waste which is discharged into the river. Otherwise in the river water also they can polluted. At the same time aquatic areas of ecosystem, actually producers కావచ్చు, herbivores కావచ్చు, carnivores కావచ్చు, fishes, number of one it can damage or imbalance. So that's why don't throw it the waste materials. See, this is a sewage method. A sewage treatment plant where dirty drain water is treated to convert it to clean water which is then discharged into a river. So after clean the materials we can discharge into the river. Otherwise these directly cannot throw it in a river. Otherwise the river will polluted. Imbalance of ecosystem. So these are 5 types of sewage treatment methods. So last, the usage of disposal paper cups. Disposal paper cups has the following advantages over the plastic cups. So which is a better one, paper cups or plastic cups? That is the one. So sometimes they will ask 1 more questions or 3 more questions. See here, paper cups are biodegradable, yes or no? So even if paper cups are thrown away after use, they will decompose in automatically by the action of microorganism due to course of time. Within few days that the paper cups will become soil because of it is a biodegradable materials. But plastic cups are non-biodegradable, yes or no? They will remain as such and pollute the environment. It take time to decompose in soil. Paper cups can even be disposed by the burning without causing much air pollution. మనం పేపర్ కప్స్ని బర్న్ చేసినా కూడా it is giving only less amount of pollution, right? But what about plastic cups? Burning of plastic cups producing toxic gases, poisonous gases will release too much air pollution. So this is the our environment chapter. So chapter will complete, students. Okay, all the best.